Hello friends, in my previous lecture we have seen the use of article a and an, where we can use these articles a and an. We have already discussed about it. Now we are going to discuss where we can omit this indefinite articles a and an. Before plural nouns like people, police, cattle, alphabet, etc. You cannot use a and an article before plural nouns. Plural nouns, you know, means there are more than one. You can call it a plural. So, people is a plural noun, police is a plural noun, cattle is a plural noun. At the same time, alphabet is also a plural noun. So, you have to take precaution while using these words, because these words do not take any article with them. So you have to omit a and an article while you use these words. For example, a thief attacked police. You cannot say here a thief attacked a police or the police. The police you can say, but in a different context. A thief attacked the police means there are many police and a thief attacked all of them. So in this sentence, a and an article you should not use. Then before abstract nouns like honesty, beauty, truth, happiness, sadness, etc. These are abstract nouns. You cannot count these nouns in a numbers. These are all abstract nouns, and before these abstract nouns, you cannot use a and an. For example, honesty is the best policy. Honesty is abstract noun, and before that no article is used. And the third point is, before material nouns like iron, metal, milk, all these are materials. Before material noun you cannot use a article or an article. Iron is a useful metal is the sentence. You cannot use a or an before the word iron, because it is a material noun. Now we are going to see where you can use the definite article the. The is an article that indicates definiteness. When you use a noun second time, it takes article the. In two sentences, if you use second time the same noun in the second sentence, you can use the article for that particular noun which is used in a first sentence. There was an old house. Old house is a noun. No one appeared to live in the house. This is the first sentence. There was an old house. You can imagine the picture of an old house. But in the second sentence, no one appeared to live in the house, means that particular house, nobody appeared, and that's why when you use this old house noun in the second sentence, you can use the article because there is a definiteness. You are going to say about the particular definite house. The is not used before common noun. In plural number, when they are used in general sense, the is not used in plural number with common noun and in general sense. For example, dogs bark at strangers. Here dogs is a common noun. In plural number, yes is there. And dogs means generally all dogs. It is used in a general sense, and that's why you cannot use the article before the dogs. Another example is here. Girls get better marks than boys. The sentence is general. The girl gets better marks than boys nowadays because girls are more active than boys. This is a common impression on the mind of society, and that's why this general statement is made here. Girls get better marks. Here girls is a plural noun, it is a common noun, and it is used in a general sense, and that's why you cannot use the article for the girls. Then the is not used before places used for their primary function. Mind it well. The article is not used before the places used for their primary function. Means the primary function of that place is going on continuously there. You cannot use the article before that places. For example, there are many places like schools, church, market, prison, bed, hospital. All these are places with primary function. In the school, teaching is going on, the school is there, teachers are there, students will be there. In hospital, doctors are there, patients are there, their work is going on. These are the places where primary function is going on, and before indicating these places you cannot use the article. If these places are visited for other purposes, the is placed before the noun. If these places are visited for other purposes, you can use the article before that places. For example, he went to school. For what purpose he went to school? Of course, for the purpose of study. His father went to the school to visit the principal. He went to school, it is a common thing because he admitted there in the school, and it is his duty to go school regularly. This is the primary function. In the first sentence, school is used without article because it is a primary function. The action taken by that particular boy or girl is usual and common. The is not used here before the school. But in the second sentence, his father went to the school means particular school, the school of his child, to visit the principal. Here in the second sentence you are going to indicate the particular school where his father went and visited to the principal. So the article in the second sentence used with specific meaning, and in the first sentence primary function of the word school is there, and that's why the article is not in the first sentence, but the is used in the second sentence because his father went to particular school of his ward or child to visit the principal, and this is the particular school, and that's why definite school, and that's why the article is used before the school. In the first example, the students went to school for study, which is primary function of the school to give education. So there is no use of article before the noun school. But in the second example, his father went to the school for a purpose. So there is use of article the before the noun school. In our next lecture, we will see the use of the article in many places. Thank you.